Giuseppe Maria Alberto Giorgio de Chirico was born July 10, 1888, died November 20, 1978. He was an Italian artist and writer born in Greece, in the years before World War I. He founded the Scuola Metafisica art movement, which profoundly influenced the surrealists. His most well-known works often feature Roman arcades, long shadows, mannequins, trains, and a logical perspective. His imagery reflects his affinity for the philosophy of Arthur Schopenhauer and of Friedrich Nietzsche, and for the mythology of his birthplace. After 1919, he became a critic of modern art, studied traditional painting techniques, and worked in a neoclassical or neo-Baroque style, while frequently revisiting the metaphysical themes of his earlier work.